Hello, everybody. Welcome to our training. Today, we're going to start this special training. And the first lesson will be about Canvas, right? So we're going to use the Canvas, the Mailing Boss, Site Builder, and Super Checkout to create a funnel, a simple funnel. Okay, the idea of this funnel is lead magnet, collect the email, send to a confirmation page, send to a sales page, make the sale, and drive this guy to a membership website. Simple funnel, but it is a start. Once you learn how to do that, it's going to be easier for you to do other trainings and learn more stuff on the platform, right? So I'm going to share my screen with you, and just a second, and boom, now you can see my screen. All right, so let's open here. Let's start. Every time that you want to create a funnel, always is best to start with the Canvas Funnel Builder. All right, this is the very special tool, and it's going to make your life easier when it comes about to build funnels. All right, so let's open the Canvas. And okay, you have some Canvas here and some funnels that I did before. I'm gonna create a new one. So add funnel. I'm gonna call this one simple funnel, right? Again, simple funnel. And next. Okay, so now you have some templates so you can start your funnel for something like already done, right? So what you can do is choose one of those templates, but now for this tutorial, we're gonna start from scratch. So I'm gonna select the blank, create, and boom, you are on the canvas, right? So as you can see here, the only thing you have on your screen is one button for you to start your funnel. So I'm gonna click on the button, then you will see all the pages, and then I'm gonna select opt-in page, all right? So this is what's going to happen. It is an opt-in page, okay? The guy is gonna come here, is gonna give me the email, and then I'm gonna collect the email, put this guy in an email sequence, and send him to a sales page, all right? So let's do this. First, let's select the template I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna click here on those 3 points. And then page 10, I'm gonna select one of these. I have opt-in 1, business, opt-in 01, this is 2, and fitness and agency. I'm gonna use fitness, all right? So I'm gonna select this one, okay. And nice, this page already has a template. Now I'm gonna work with the email marketing. Right click right here, add elements. So as you guys can see, you are still on the same page. By the way, if you change the name of the page here, for example, page, you'll see it's going to change the name here as well, all right? So you can organize your funnel a little bit better. In that case, opt-in, all right? Okay. Now, you are already on the tab to work with the form. So I'm going to select Mailing Boss, all right? And then it's going to bring all the lists you have on Mailing Boss. In that case, I'm not going to use a list. In that case, I'm going to create a new list. So create a list. I'm going to give a name, my first list, for example, all right? My first list, and then email from Eric, and email from, I'm going to use one email that I already have on Builderall. That will be contact@builderallbiz.com, I guess. All right, so reply to the same email, and boom, this is it. This is all you need to create a list here. So it's going to create, okay, the list is already created. You can go later and edit the pages on your list if you want. To do that, you can click here on quick links, right? Access website, access Mailing Boss workflow, access website list, or access Office dashboard. So you can access website list, and then you can change all the pages and everything, but this is nothing that you have to do right now, okay? Right click again. So I have here Mailing Boss, then I'm gonna select the list I just created, my first list, okay? And what's gonna happen when people subscribe, what they are going to see. So pending subscription, I'm gonna send those guys to confirm email. So they're gonna go to a page where they have to confirm the email, all right? And then edit element again. After they confirm the subscription, I'm gonna send people to the sales page. Boom, sales page. Here we go. So you have the confirm email page here, and you have a sales page here. And since it is a sales page, it is already with the checkout, okay? So before we go to the checkout, let's make sure everything here is working. So opt-in is connected to a form. Let's see, okay, paying subscription, subscription confirm, paying subscription, subscription confirm, okay? Now I'm gonna edit this page. I'm gonna choose the layout I wanna use. It's gonna be fitness, all right? And okay, and same thing here. Choose the layout I want to use. I'm going to use fitness as well. All right. As you guys can see, the name here. Let me check this. Right. So you have fitness team, email fitness team is all good, right? So you have the same layout, same pattern on those pages. Okay. Cool. Now people are going to register. I'm going to collect the emails. I'm going to send to a email confirm page. Once they confirm the email, they're going to come to the sales page. And then on the sales page, I'm going to have an offer. All right. So I'm going to click here, right click on checkout, edit element. And then I'm going to sell a diet plus. All right. And I'm going to charge $1. Okay, you need to put the cents, $1. Okay, now what's going to happen when people buy my product? So if they buy my product, success will drive people to thank you page, right? So checkout drives people to a thank you page. Okay, and then on the thank you page, what's going to happen? I'm going to send people to a membership area where I'm going to actually deliver my trainings, my diet, my stuff, okay? So here I'm gonna click on plus because I'm gonna connect another page, and then I'm gonna find the membership page like this, all right? And there you go. Now, opt-in, you collect the email, send to a confirm email page, then once they confirm the email, they're gonna go to a sales page. On the sales page, I have an offer. Once they go to the checkout, they buy my product, they go to the thank you page, right? And on the thank you page, they're gonna have a button to go to my membership page, right? Now, the membership page will be something they will only access if they pay. Now, before that, let me fix this layout here because I have fitness layouts there. So let me put the fitness layout here. And fitness, select, okay, we're good to go. Same thing here. The theme will be fitness as well. Boom, okay, all good. Now I have to make sure this membership is in another layout, one layout for membership, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click here on edit page, and then you already have the theme, all good. Then you have to select the layout. Right now, I just have one layout, right? You can see here, I just have one color. That means I just have one layout. I'm gonna add a new layout, the layout for my membership. So I'm gonna call membership, all right? I'm gonna give a different color, like red. And then I'm gonna tell the system this is a restricted layout. And I'm gonna give access when people do a payment, or manual or a payment, right? I can give access one by one, that's manual, or I can give access automatically when they pay, right? Okay, auto should be, once they register on your website, they will have access. Email marketing should be once they confirm the subscription on your email list, they will have access. In that case, I'm selling something, then it's gonna be manual/payment. Create. Okay, now you can see we have two layouts on this canvas, right? And then again, I'm gonna go to edit this page, select the layout. Now I'm gonna select membership, right? So now you see this I have on the free layout, and this one is on the membership, right? Right. Before we go, the checkout will give access to this membership area, right? Right. So let's do this. Edit element. And then the checkout, $1 Diet Plus is gonna give you access to the membership, right? It's only going to show up after you create the layout that should be paid, right? Okay, Now the canvas is like done. I have the opt-in page. I have my email list. Once they subscribe here, they're gonna come to this page. Then I will tell people, okay, go there and confirm your email. And it's okay. Once they confirm my email, they're gonna come to my sales page. On the sales page, I'm gonna have an offer, right? Once they buy my offer, they're gonna come to the thank you page. And on the thank you page, they're gonna have the button to access the membership page, all right? Cool, so that's it. What I can do now is to, later I can use the affiliation system that we're gonna do on the checkout. Right, I can do a split test. I'm gonna do later, put a split test here, pop-ups and other stuff. We can do later on this checkout. Let's just keep simple for now, right? So we can go and edit this website and make this funnel work. So I'm gonna save the funnel here, save the canvas. All right, it's saved, all right? And then I can generate the website. Before that, let me show you something that we can do here on the form. So this is, like you guys can see, it is my mailing boss. This is the list. I have the payment subscription, but I can also create an email sequence here, right? So I'm gonna give a right click, view mailing boss campaigns, and then you will see that you don't have any campaign for this list yet. So I'm gonna create a new campaign. I'm gonna call my first email, right? And how many emails? I'm gonna call 2 emails, right? For all the users, create. And then here we go. I have one campaign autoresponder with 2 emails in the sequence for this funnel. All right, guys. Now let's work on the email. So I'm gonna give a right click here, edit campaign. So it's gonna drive you to the mailing boss already. So my first email, autoresponder, this is the list, my first list, it's all good, sequence, that's all right, save and next. Okay, now you already have the builder, the email builder, right? So just for the tutorial, I'm gonna delete this one. This one you should not delete because all your emails should have those tags, unsubscribe URL and company full address, right? So you gotta have this on mailing boss so your emails doesn't go to spam because you need this information. And all I have to do is get those blocks and drag and drop those things on those blocks here, all right? Now I'm gonna choose one block of this, text with image, text with right image, text with left button. Okay, I'm just gonna choose text with left image and put it here, and boom. Now you have the image, now you have the text. Let's add it to the thing. I'm gonna click on the image. Once I click on the image, I can change the whole thing. So I'm gonna add the image right here. No, that's wrong. I'm gonna click again and then load the image. All right, now it's better. Okay, then I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, that's gonna be the image, right? Then you can change the link if you want it, right? So you can add the image. I'm just gonna leave like that. And then on the content, you click here and you are ready to edit the content of your email. Boom. Okay, right? So you're good to go. You added your email. Now save and next. Okay, now I have from Eric. This is my reply. I could change for no reply if I wanted, right? Then from the email, I put there contact.builderallbiz.com. And the message I'm gonna call first message, all right? And then save and next. And since it is an autoresponder, I'm gonna give the time frame. So I'm gonna use 1 minute after they subscribe, right? And then save and activate. Okay, cool, awesome. Now, let's close the mailing boss, and then you can do the same thing with the second email. Just click here. It's gonna open mailing boss again, and then you can create the second email right here, okay? Let's save. Okay, now I have a funnel. I can go to the website and make this thing work, right? So create a website. I'm gonna give a name. I'm gonna call my first funnel. Create. It's building the whole website, the whole links and everything. And boom, that's it. The funnel is created. All I have to do now is go to the website so I can access the editor and change the things on the website. Look here. It's loading the editor. Okay, so let's take a first look to see if everything is here. So I have two layouts. Awesome. I have the first layout and the membership layout. On the first layout, I have opt-in, confirmation email, sales page, and thank you page. That's right. That's exactly what I have here. Opt-in, confirmation email, sales page, and thank you page. That's the first one, right? And here on the second layout, I have the membership area, right, with one membership page. And I don't know how many lessons I am going to create, and then I can create one page the way I want it, and then I can just duplicate the pages and create one page for each lesson I'm gonna have on my course. All right? Okay, so everything is here. Now let's see if everything is working. So opt-in page, what do I have here? I have the opt-in form. Right click, change URL so I can see this paying subscription for confirm email, sales page. It's good. You don't have to touch, you don't have to do anything. It's already there, right? So it is an opt-in mail. All you have to do is edit this page. For example, I don't want a button here on the opt-in mail. We're just going to delete this button. You can drag and drop and edit your content. So here goes your headline. Right? Same thing that would be here, same thing here. You can drag and drop and you can work the way you want. The editor is really, really easy to work, right? Here, same thing. Okay. Now, that's it. This page is done. All you have to do is to edit the content. Okay? Cool. Let's go for the second page. Confirm email. Okay. So everything you need to get to where you always want to be. Congratulations, your ebook is on the way. So you tell me if you are going to use ebook. If not, you can change. So you can put here the content you want. So for example, I'm gonna do this. Please confirm your email, right? And then I'm gonna put here something like. Allow us 2 minutes to send the email, something like that. All right? Okay, boom. And then once they come to this page, they're gonna go there, they're gonna go to confirm the email. Once they confirm the email, they're gonna come to the sales page. All right, so this is the sales page, right? So right click, let's edit. It's here is where you are going to sell your product, okay? And in that case, I'm gonna do something that's gonna cost $1, right? One-time payment. Okay, so that's it. And now, you have some buy now button here. Sorry. You have a buy now button. I'm gonna give a right click and see the action, and then you can see the buy now takes people to the checkout, right? So it's all good. You don't have to touch. It's all good. Here you have a lot of buy now buttons. It's all the same thing. All the buy now buttons are already configured. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is work on the videos and content and images on your page. And again, we are talking about something really, really, really drag and drop, right? You can just change images. You can do whatever you want on this thing. Okay, guys, right? Okay, so anyway, your sales page is done. You just created your offer here. You already have the checkout. And once people buy this, they're gonna go to the thank you page. All right, that's the thank you page. Thank you for registering. And here you have one button, right? You have to figure out where is the button on the page. In that case, the button is here. I'm gonna bring the button a little bit up, right? I'm gonna change the layers. So I have this thing here, right? And then since it is a membership website, I'm gonna change the content for access now, something like that, all right? And then let's see the action on this button. Action on this button should be membership page, right? Because you already created that on the canvas. Once you made this connection here, the button that you have on this page is already taking people to the membership page. Perfect, right? Perfect, awesome, awesome, awesome. So there you go, you have your funnel working here, right? So, okay, now a detail here, once you're gonna have a membership website, so you gotta put a button for people to log in, something like that. And boom, okay, now I have a button for people to log in on my website. That's very important because if you are going to have a membership website, people will always come back to your website, so they're going to be able to log in and access your membership area, all right? That's one thing. And I guess so far on the website, that's it. We can make it better, and later I'm going to show you how to make it a little bit better, right? Now let's go to the membership. Boom, membership. Okay, as you can see, you just have one page. You have this little thing here that means this page is for members only, people who paid. It's all good, right? You have this box here. So a few boxes, when you bring something from the canvas, it doesn't have the right style because it's gonna bring the style that you'll have on your website. So on this box, I'm just gonna change the style. Appearance, and I'm gonna choose style 1, which is transparent. And same thing here, appearance, I'm just gonna use box 2. Okay, all good. Now, this is a membership website. You just have one page, and believe me, it's better like this because you can just now duplicate pages. You can fix this one and duplicate pages, right? And as you can see here, check this out, it's very interesting. You have just one page on this thing, right? Right. But the menu, if you give a right click and edit menu items, you will see you have a lot of things on the menu. You have 5 modules or 4 modules with 4 lessons per module, all right? So let's see here on the preview how the menu works. Preview, and then module 1, you have a drop-down menu here, module 2, module 3, and module 4. What that means? That means that you have the menu ready to go. What you can do now is to create the pages, right? And then you can connect the pages on the menu. If you don't have that much modules or lessons, you can just delete. So for example, I can just come here, edit menu items, and then I can delete module 4. Click here, boom. It's deleted, right? So I can delete those lessons here, boom. Boom, boom, and boom. And there you go. I have module 1, 2, 3 with 4 lessons each. And I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so now I have 3 modules with 4 lessons each. Confirm. And as you can see, you see the new menu here. All right, guys, that's how it works. Okay, now let's create one page so you guys have an idea of what I'm saying. So, for example, module 1, basic of the base, lesson 1, blah, blah, blah. Here you can edit something like, welcome to my diet plan, right? And then, for example, if you don't want this button, you can just delete the button. You can work on the page the way you want it, right? You can drag and drop those things. You can keep this menu here, or you can bring this menu here. It's up to you. I'm just gonna keep here because I think it looks great. Right? And oh, wait, we have a box here. And on this box, I'm just gonna give a right click. Since it is Mary Jane, I see this, that should be a person. What I know is we're gonna work on the box appearance, should be a person here. So I know that should be a person, like a background of the box, right? So I'm just gonna choose here colors on this box. I'm gonna upload the image. Instead of using a color, I'm gonna upload the image, something like that. For example, I can choose a color, right? But I don't want a color, I want an image. So I'm gonna click here. It's gonna open my images, just a second. A minute actually, because I have a lot of images, so it takes forever to load all my images. I'm sorry about that. All right, so here we go. Let me see here. Team color, something like that. No, let me see. Team Builderall, something like that. No, let me see, for example, mockups, English top, no, 4th of July. Okay, 4th of July. I think I have myself here. I'm gonna put myself there and boom. All right. So as you can see, this image is a PNG image. So I am using a PNG image as a background of this box, right? So if now I choose a color for the box, you can see I can have my PNG image and a color for the box or something like that, right? So just let's do something like this. It's good. Cool, cool. Now we can do even better. Let's go on round borders, right? And let's give 100 pixels here, 100 pixels, oops, 100 here, and 100 here, and 100 here. Okay, now you have something round, right? And that's the box. Okay, guys, that's the box. My image is the background of the box. You can use like this, or you can use like this, or you can use like this. All right, and I am not Mary Jane, it's just an example. All right, guys, okay, so good. So you edited the page, it's all good, and now we wanna create different lessons. So I'm gonna come here to the membership page. I'm gonna click on this little engine and I'm gonna ask to duplicate. Duplicate page, confirm, yes, I'm gonna duplicate. And then I'm gonna change the name for lesson 1, for example, right? And no, lesson 2, lesson 1 already. So lesson 2 and save. Oops, I can't give a space here. And boom. And then it's done, right? So all you have to do is edit this page. This is lesson 2, for example. You do your thing here and make sure you change the video, you change the whatever it is, all right? Here, for example, should be basic. Boom, boom, boom. Basic. Okay. Right, let's create another one. All the thing you have to do is go here and duplicate this one. So let's duplicate it, duplicate it. Now you have another page. I'm gonna change the name for lesson 3, and again here, lesson 3, and save. All right? So same way you're gonna go creating pages for your website, right? Right. Now, what you can do, you can come to this menu right here, okay? And then edit menu items. So for example, lesson 1, you're gonna click here on the edit, right? And boom, you're gonna select a page, and we're gonna select the page, membership page, because it's the first one where you have the lesson 1, right? Lesson 2, I'm gonna click here, page, I'm gonna select page lesson 2, and boom. Lesson 3, same thing. I'm gonna click here, I'm gonna select the page, and then I'm gonna choose lesson 3. And boom, right? When you see, you have the whole menu working, and boom, it's that. Confirm, and there you go. You have your membership website with the menu here, and people will be able to go, for example, preview, right? Module 1, lesson 1 is going to load the page for lesson 1. If they click lesson 2, it's going to load the page for lesson 2. Lesson 3, same thing, and there it goes here, all right? Return to editor, all right. So now what we have here, before we go, also please add one button from login, login button. Once you have a membership website, you have to make sure you have the login button on the header of every single template of your layout on your website, right? Right. Okay, guys, so let's see what we have here. We have opt-in page, right? Email confirmation, sales page, and thank you page, right? Right. What do we have to, and then the membership area. What we have to do now, we have to work on the checkout. The checkout page is the one that we did not work yet, okay? Cool. So let's go here on the checkout, open super checkout, and then you're gonna have your checkout builder here, but you don't have to create another product because you already did that here on the canvas. You already created the product here, right? So go back to super checkout and go to my products. Boom, my products, and you have your product here, Diet Plus. It's here. What you have to do now is edit. So let's edit this one. So Diet Plus, here goes the description of your product. And it's going to be in English because the checkout will be in English. It's a digital product and goes more in ebooks and go more to course. And choose an image for your product, which is going to be this one. I don't want to use this image because I don't want to have any problems with Disney, so I'm going to choose this one. All right. Boom. Okay, there you go, right? And then are you going to use affiliates to sell this thing? Yes or no? If you are not going to use affiliates, that's it, you're ready to go, let's do it. But if you are going to use affiliates, it would be a little bit more complicated. So we are going to do two ways. We are going to do first without affiliates and then with affiliates, okay? So without affiliates, that's it. Next, so as you can see, I have some PayPal configurations here, which I will remove right now because you can have a lot of apps to sell your product. I just want to remove everything. All right, so I should reload, but I don't want to do. Now I have 3 PayPals here, right? For this product, I could use one of those PayPal accounts, or I could create another one, right? I can just select this one, and I'm gonna use the PayPal account. Since I deleted, I think I'm gonna have to do next, or reload the page. Next, all right, so I think I'm gonna be able to delete again. But this is the thing, I have 3 PayPal apps to charge people here. I don't have to delete. I can keep those PayPals here and use one of those accounts, or I can create a new one, right? So I will create a new one so you guys can see how that works. So I'm just gonna create a new payment system here. So you can choose between PayPal or Stripe. So you're gonna change the link here. I'm gonna choose PayPal. I'm gonna call my first app, right? And then once you do that, you will have to go to developers PayPal. Click here on that link. It's gonna open your PayPal account, log into the dashboard. So you're gonna do the login. And then you're gonna be inside the developers area on PayPal. And all you have to do is create an app, right? So I'm gonna click here and then just give the app name, like my first app, okay? And that's it. If you don't have a sandbox account, PayPal will ask you to create just a sandbox account. It's really easy. It's gonna give you the step-by-step, and in 1 minute you are done. But it's cool because I already have one sandbox account, and just gonna create an app now. Boom. And boom, the app is here. So as you can see, the super checkout is asking you the client ID and the secret. And you have the client ID and the secret here, okay? Now, this is the thing, guys. As you can see, you have sandbox here. So this app is not for real yet because it is on the sandbox. And I can use on Sandbox to test my website before bringing to the real life, all right? So if you are going to do Sandbox, you can copy this link and copy this link and put it here. And actually also check here, enable Sandbox mode, right? So you have to check it here. So you're going to be able to use the checkout on Sandbox. That means you don't have to purchase your product to check if it is working, all right? Okay, now since I'm teaching you guys how to do the real thing, I'm gonna select here live. So now it's working. If I do the test, I'm gonna be charged, all right? Then I'm gonna copy the client ID because it's different when you go live. Client ID, I'm gonna go back there and show the secret. Copy the secret, put the what I did. Secret here, client ID here, my first checkout, that's okay. Right? So the description of this new checkout you are building, client ID, secret ID, and that's it. Okay, and it's working. That's it, my first checkout, right? So once you created the app, you connected the live app on your checkout, all you have to do is check now. So this checkout, this product will be working with this PayPal account, all right? If you create another one for Stripe, you can also have Stripe on the same page. So you can have PayPal and Stripe. Your client can choose what they want to use, okay? I just, like, on the checkout, you gotta make like as simple as you can. So I'm just gonna use PayPal, all right? So currency will be USA dollars, refund period, I'm gonna do 0 days or 7 days, it's up to you, right? Now we just have single payment. I guess in a few days we're gonna have recurring payments as well. Okay, I'm not gonna add any taxes on that thing. It's just $1. I'm not gonna enable VAT. This is just for people who are in Europe. And for me, this page is done. So next. Okay, this is going to be the template of my checkout. Later, we're gonna have more templates here for you to choose. So since you don't have right now, it has to be this template. And then the thank you page. I don't want to use a custom thank you page. I want to use the page I have on the funnel. So I just gonna uncheck this, and then I'm gonna select here thank you page. All right, all right. Now select the page where you are going to sell the product. That would be the first page of your funnel, right? And that would be the opt-in. Okay. And select the page where visitors will request affiliation. All right. I don't have affiliates, so doesn't matter I have affiliates or not. I just know, sorry guys about the phone. I don't have affiliates, doesn't matter. What I'm gonna do is just choose the thank you page. Later I'm gonna explain you guys why. All right, so doesn't matter, you can choose any page. If you don't have affiliates, it's all good. So this is the thank you page. This is the main page of your funnel, the first page of your funnel. Next. And then email campaign, all right? So this is very, very important, guys. You're gonna choose a mailing boss list here, okay? So you're gonna choose the same list, my first list, okay? Now, on this list, if I'm not wrong, I just have the email field. Maybe I have the email and name, I don't know, all right? But it doesn't matter. What really matters is, once you choose the list here, you have a lot of lists. In my case, I have a lot of lists. The fields that's going to show up when people are buying our product will be the same fields you have on your email list. So for example, if you want to collect the address, phone, and I don't know, you want to ask any other questions before they go to the checkout, you have to create those fields on Mailing Boss. Right? You have to create those special fields on the list, and then when you choose the list here, is going to be the fields you're going to have on your checkout. We're going to do that later, right? But you guys already know where you're going to create more fields for your checkout. It's on your email Mailing Boss list, right? Okay, I'm going to select this one. Next, As you guys can see, it's already connected here with my membership website because I did that on the canvas. When I was here on the canvas and I clicked here and I checked here, membership, right? Already did the connection. So what is it? Okay, next, accept the terms of use and boom, update product. So your product is there. Here you have the links of your product, right? So check this out. You have the sales page link, you have the thank you page link, and you have the checkout link if you want to change the checkout you have on your button, all right? You don't have to do that if you don't have affiliates, okay, guys? So you are ready to go. Your funnel is working, right? So you have the checkout working, you have the PayPal app working, you have the website all done, all added, is all good, ready to go. So your website should be okay. All you have to do is save the website. And once you save the website, you're gonna see all the pages that you changed, right? So this is important because, for example, if you changed a lot of things on your website, and for example, on this page right here, you're not sure you wanna save these changes on this page, you can just uncheck. So you're going to save everything but this page right here, all right? Sometimes you regret something like that, then you can just uncheck. It's all good. I'm gonna save everything, so save. And in 1 second, the website will be saved. Okay, ready to go. So that's it. The funnel is working. We could test this funnel right now, but I would complicate a little bit more. Right now, this funnel is working like this. Opt-in page, the guy is going to subscribe. I'm gonna collect the email on this email list. After 1 minute, they are going to receive this campaign. This one I didn't configure yet. But once they put the email here, they're gonna come to this page, telling them to confirm the email. Once they confirm, they're gonna come to the sales page. On the sales page, they will see my offer, and once they buy my offer, I'm gonna have a thank you page here, right? On the thank you page, they will see the button so they can log in on my membership website, all right? That's the funnel. This is what I did right here. It's working, all right? Before you go, make sure you get all your pages, just like this. Go back to the opt-in and make sure, since you're gonna edit, you're gonna move stuff, make sure it's already done on the cell phones, right? So for example, this is new. So once it's new, it's not here. So I have to bring back here, all right? It's good, all good, all good, all good. This is not right, so I'm gonna bring it here because I changed that on the website, and then I'm gonna change this one here so you can give a little bit more work here to make sure this thing is gonna look exactly like you want it, right? The good thing about the system is you can make look exactly like you want it, something like that, right? So for example, I don't want to see the girl back there. I want to bring the girl to the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring all this content down. I'm going to put the girl here. I'm going to bring everything up. And boom, this page is almost done. Okay, now this page is done. It's done, done. All good. Now I don't need this box right here. I just can right click and hide, and boom, it's done on this page, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. You can change straight here, confirm email. So on this one, I did not actually change anything on the website, so I can just edit stuff here if I want. I don't need to do that. All good on that case. All right, let's go to another one, sales page. It's loading. Here we go. You have here your sales page. You can take a look. If everything looks okay, awesome. It looks okay. If it doesn't look okay, you can just add it and make the way you want to have it, right? So for example, this button is outside. I want to bring this button here, all right? Okay. Let me bring this thing up. You always have to give one adjust here. Don't take for granted, right? So always take a look on your mobile versions. Worst case scenario, you will have to do a small adjustment here, something like that. For example, I don't think this button is big enough. So, oops, I'm gonna bring it here and boom, right? It's better, okay? Cool. Now, this thing, I don't wanna have this thing here. I wanna put more in the middle. So just bring it to the middle. So it's up to you how you wanna do or how you wanna fix your website, okay? Once you do that on all the pages, save, and boom, again, you are ready to go. All right, guys, so it's done. Now, let's work with affiliates. Let's go back to this desktop version. Before we go to the affiliates, since we were talking about mobile desktop, let's click here on website configurations, right? So if you are in Europe, you can click here GDPR and then just follow the steps and you're gonna put your GDPR right here. Sitemap, same thing to generate the sitemap, but what's important now is the website settings. So later you can enable CRM, but we can do that on Canvas. It's just like change it here, all right? Then tablet mode, no, I don't want to use tablet because nobody else uses tablet. We have less than 1% access in tablets, so it doesn't work. I just want to use the mobile version, and I'm going to use yes for scale for devices. That means that people on the desktop, they will see the desktop version. On the smartphones, they will see the mobile version. And on tablets, they will see a bigger version of my smartphones. It works great, okay? Here, you're gonna put the reply email if you are going to use regular forms on your website, but since we are going to do email marketing, we don't need it. App language on your website. So for example, if I'm going to do Facebook apps and other third-party apps, you can choose the language of your apps right here, right? And here, this is how you want to display the title of your website. The titles that shows up here, you can use layout and the page, or you can use just layout, or you can use just the page to show up when people goes on your website and they see here on the tab, right? And here you can choose the tab, the color of the tab that people will see on smartphones, right? So you just like you just need to do this change here. Yes on a scale for devices, right? Save. Okay, so that's gonna work just like a responsive website, okay? Cool. Now that's it. Once you save, it's done. You don't have to do anything else. But in that case, we wanna do a better checkout. Okay, we want to use affiliates. So I'm going to go back to the checkout, super checkout, my products, and I'm going to edit the product I already have here. So edit. And then on the first page, I'm going to select here. So I'm going to have to put this thing again. Description of my first product. Okay, now I'm gonna select affiliates. I'm gonna enable for affiliates right here, right? Let's choose the image again. Which one? This one. Okay, good. So next. All right, now since you have affiliates, I'm gonna use the same PayPal, same thing, but here you're gonna configure levels. So I just wanna have one level of affiliates, like one level, and I'm gonna give 25% commissions, right? And boom, confirm levels. There you go, you have affiliate level 1 earning 25% commissions. If you wanna do a 2-tier or 3-tier system, you just can all you have to do is to come here and add a new level, and then on the second tier, for example, I'm gonna pay 25% confirm levels, and there you go, all right? So this is what you have to do if you are going to do affiliates. Then you go next. Here is the same thing. Now this is important. Since I'm gonna have affiliates and I'm gonna have 2 tiers of affiliates, I know some affiliates are going to bring another affiliates, all right? So I gotta have a page right here for affiliates to promote. That would be a business opportunity page, right? So if I'm going to have more than 1 tiers, one tier, I should have a business opportunity page so the affiliates can use this page to promote my product and this page to bring another affiliate. All right? Okay, so next. Same email list, next, I don't have to do anything, next, accept, and boom, here we go. Now, since you are using affiliates and tiers, you will see that you have more links here, right? So this is the sales page link, that's for you. That would be the JV page or the business opportunity page where you're gonna have your affiliates going to subscribe, right? This is your thank you page. Okay, now since you are going to use affiliates, you have to fix some stuff. So check out URL. You gotta put this friendly URL because it's gonna work better with your affiliates. So Control C, go back to the website, and then this is the buy button. Right click, action on the buy button, and change here the URL. And boom, you have the friendly URL here. It's better to work with affiliates, okay? You can change the URL in every single buy button you have on your page. Go to action and change the URL, okay? Because you are working with affiliates, it's better, okay? Cool. Now, the affiliate registration URL, what that means? That means that we gotta have a page that would be the business opportunity page, and then on the business opportunity page, you gotta have a button for people to become an affiliate. And that's important to have everything working fine because one affiliate is going to bring another affiliate. So that's why you have like two tiers because you wanna have one affiliate bringing another affiliate. So you have to make sure that one affiliate, when some affiliate becomes an affiliate, he's working underneath another affiliate. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this thing, and then you're gonna put on the button where people are going to ask for affiliation. In that case, I'm gonna put this on the thank you page. So I can create a funnel like this. So for example, I'm gonna get this button right here. I just gonna duplicate. Boom. Now I have another button. I'm gonna duplicate this one as well. Okay. Access now, and here I'm gonna change for become an affiliate, for example. Right? Boom. And then I have to change the action on this button. So the action will be, this is the same that it was here before because I duplicated the button. I'm gonna choose a web address and then boom, all right? That's the link I got here for affiliate registration, right? So that should be on my, let me put here in the tab. That should be on a business opportunity page, but since I don't want to do a business opportunity page right now, I just want to put on the thank you page. And actually, it's not a bad idea to have the button for people to become an affiliate on your business opportunity page or on your thank you page. Because once they buy your product, they can decide to access the product right now, or they can decide to be an affiliate, right? Just makes sense, okay? Cool. And the last one, since you are going to have affiliates, the affiliate will have to log in somewhere to see their earnings and things like that, right? So you're gonna copy this link, and then you're gonna go back to your website, and then on the footer, that's the best way to go, get a button, and then something like that. And we can do something like text. Affiliate login, and boom. And now let's create the action, web address, new tab, and boom. All right, and boom. All right, so now on your website, you have the button for people to log in on your membership area. You have the button to access your membership area. It's gonna work exactly like this one, right? You have the button for people to register and become an affiliate, and you have the button for people who are already affiliates to go to their panel, all right? So because you have your own affiliate system. So that's it. That's the only difference that you have to do once you are going to use affiliates, all right? Okay, so I went to edit my product. I just checked that I would use affiliates, and then I set to the system 25% first level, 25% second level. Once I decided to use affiliates, I have more links, and then this is the link you have to put on the buy button. This is the link you have to put on your business opportunity page or your thank page for people to become an affiliate. And this is the button you have to put for people to log in on your affiliate system, right? That's it. It's working. All you have to do now that we create a lot of buttons and things like that, we have to save the website. Save the website. And boom, saving the website, and the website is saved. Okay, let's go back to Canvas to make sure everything's working. I created an opt-in page, takes people to email marketing. I'm gonna collect the email. They're gonna see the confirm page. Once they confirm, they're gonna come to my sales page. On my sales page, they're gonna have a button buy now. That's gonna take people to the checkout app. Once they find access to the checkout, if they buy my product, they're gonna go to the thank you page, right? And then on the thank you page, they're gonna have a button to access my membership area or become an affiliate and start promoting this same funnel. I have this email configured on autoresponder for people who receive 1 minute after subscription, all right? I have the email for the list and another email here on the auto-response sequence. And that's pretty much the funnel. This is a simple funnel, all right, guys? And from here, you can still do a lot of things. You can do, we can do that on the next training. We can do an opt-in page here. We can have an exit pop-up here, right? We can create another checkout here with upsell and downsell or one-time offer here on the thank you page, for example. Right? So we can make this funnel a little bit more powerful, let's say like that, but that's gonna go for the next lesson. Next lesson we can do this funnel become a little bit more powerful. But so far, let's keep simple. It's all good. It's working, it's there. Let's test the funnel and see if this thing is working. Let's close all those things. This is the editor, I already saved it. Let's close. And close, okay, and so go back to my office. Let's open the Pixel Perfect. The funnel should be here. It's loading. I have hundreds of websites, so that's why it's taking a little bit longer to load. And almost there, and then there you go. Okay, my first funnel, this is the one, right? So first thing, let's publish. Publish. It's going to reload the page. Let's do that so it's going to be a little bit faster. Reloading again takes forever because I have hundreds of websites, as you can see. And it's reloading, and then I have my funnel right here. There you go. Where is it? Here we go. My first funnel. Okay, let's see. Boom. Okay, so here goes our red line. This is my opt-in page. I just gonna subscribe. Eric Salgado, Eric, get instant access, and boom. So I collect the email mailing boss and takes me to the page, please confirm your email, all right? Allow us 2 minutes to send the email. So, okay, I'm gonna wait 2 minutes and I'm gonna see my email. Mail. Not yet, just let me download those things here and boom. Anytime, all right, here we go. Eric, so all you have to do is click here in order to confirm a subscription, blah, blah, blah. And this content, you can add it on mailing boss, all right? That's the first email. You can add it later when you learn how to work with your lists. So I'm just gonna confirm. And boom, I am on the sales page, all right? So exactly like this, opt-in page. I'll give my email, and then I came to this page. After 1 minute, my email was there. I click on the confirmation, and I am on the sales page now. All right, all right. Let's reload. Okay, all good. In a few seconds, I should receive then another email. That's the 1 minute after subscription. But let's go back. Okay, let's continue on the funnel. That will be my sales page. And now I have to do now is go to the sales page and decide if I'm going to buy this product or not. And then, all right, I'm gonna buy the product. I click here and boom, you have your checkout, right? The checkout is responsive, as you guys can see. It's gonna work fine in every single device. And that's the image of the product, description. You can have a lot of things there. Continue, all right. Payment. So my country is United States. My name is Eric. My email will be contato@ericsalgado.com. My phone, that will be the phone here, okay? And then my password, again, my password, all right? And since I put everything here, I'm gonna click on continue. And then I will see the PayPal button here for me to make the payment, all right? Okay, so PayPal. Now I have to pay with a different account because I can't pay myself with the same account. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, I'm gonna log in with Alvin account. That would be this one. And pay now. Purchase completed. Thank you. All right. So that's it. You're good to go. Access your products. So this is going to take people to the thank you page. All right. All right. Now I am on my thank you page. I can access my product now, or I can become an affiliate. So let's just access the product now. Boom. And then what's going to be your email and password? Is the same you use it on the checkout. Boom. And then here you are on the membership website, right? So as you can see here, my account, logout, it's all good. You are on the page, it's perfect, right? So let's see, for example, lesson 2 or lesson 3 or lesson 1. Yeah, maybe I did not connect on the menu or not save it. Yes, I guess once I put on the menu, but I did not save it. But okay, now it's working, it's everything okay here on the membership website. Now, if you go to my account, check this out. You have this page where the user can follow everything, right? So for example, purchases, right? So you will see everything that you have on that website, right? Areas, for example. I have membership restricted area, unlimited access. I can go to the area. In here, I can see my profile. I can change the stuff on my profile and everything, all right? Okay, and then they can do the logout here if they want it. And there you go, they're gonna go to the home page of your website, all right? All right, now let me see if I can go straight to the thank you page. I guess that's the one. Okay, now let's see. Instead of accessing the product, they want to become an affiliate, right? So they're going to click here, become an affiliate. But wait, let me open this in another tab because otherwise may give some conflict. So I just want to stop sharing. I'm going to create one incognito. Okay, then I'm going to share again the incognito. Here we go. Thank you page. So the guy came here and he decided to become an affiliate. So he's going to click here. Product affiliation, request affiliation, boom. Now, dashboard, I am not an affiliate yet, so I have to register. I'm going to click here. And then full name. I'm gonna give all my information here so I can register on the thing. All right, and then boom, 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 all good. Password. Again. All right, that's my mail, my password, and then how you are going to receive your money on contato@ericsalgado.com. That's my PayPal account. I accept the terms of use, confirm, and it's redirecting me. Now I have to log in. There we go. Contato and login. Now, once I am registered, now I am on the account, request affiliation, and that's it. Now I have to wait for the product owner give me license to promote his product, right? So I don't see the links here, okay? Now I'm gonna stop sharing. I'm gonna share the other one again, right? So now I am the owner of the product. And then I'm gonna find, yeah, I will have to open the editor right here. Where is it? Okay, let's open the editor. And then I will check if someone asked to become an affiliate, right? So I'm gonna go to the checkout right here, super checkout. And then affiliations to approve, boom. Oh, you have this guy, Eric Salgado, he wants to become an affiliate. You want to learn more about him? You can click here and see all the information, right? Or you can just approve on that screen. So I'm going to approve and I'm going to save. And the guy is approved. So stop sharing again. And let's share the other screen. Okay. Now, this guy, after a few hours, he's going to reload, and then he will see he's approved, all right? Or you can send an email, hey man, you are approved to promote my product, all right? And then now he can see the links. So this is the link for the product, all right? So I have to promote this link to sell the product as an affiliate. And this is the link if I want to bring another affiliate to work with me. Right? So since this is a two-tier system, I have the link to promote the product and I have the link to bring affiliates. That's going to bring people to become an affiliate, and that's going to bring people to buy my product. So, but the thing is, if I get this link right here, right, and then I'm going to stop sharing screen again. I'm going to close this one. Now I'm gonna open another one. And where are you guys? Where are you guys? Here we go. Share again. All right. So this is my link as an affiliate. I'm gonna promote this, right? So someone else is gonna come here, is gonna buy the product, right? So let's see someone different. Get instant access and then confirmation email, and now I have to confirm email. Then I go to the sales page after confirm email, and then on the sales page I'm gonna buy the product, and now I'm gonna continue, and now I'm gonna do everything again. Eric to email eric2@eric.com. Phone and password again, continue, and pay with PayPal again. Here we go. Let's pay. Oh, make the payment. Okay, now I'm buying under the affiliate link, right? And then that's it, access your product. And same thing, it's working, it's perfect, right? All right, now, before we say it's perfect, let's go to the other screen to see if this is actually working. Let's, boom, okay, let me close this one. And now I will see, I am as the owner, I will see my sales. And I have here 2 sales, right? The first one that I sold to Eric, right? And the second one that Eric sold to Eric too. All right, guys. So if I go to affiliations, commissions to pay, you will see you already have 25 cents to pay for Eric, who sold for Eric too, all right? And then affiliation tree, you're gonna see the affiliates on this thing. So I am the product, I have this guy as an affiliate, so you're gonna see this thing growing, all right? And I guess that's it. So you see all your affiliates here, and that's it, right? So when you go to all sales, and you will see the sales here, you will see who is selling to who, and that's really, really cool. All right, guys, okay? So list view, for example, no, cards view, right? You can see all the sales as cards if you want it, or you can see all the sales as a list if you want it, all right? So, okay, that's it. It's working, it's tested, and what we just did it. Let's go there and let's see what we just did it. We created this opt-in page, we created this email list, we created this email campaign, we added the campaign autoresponder, right? We created this confirmation page email, and then we created the sales page, we created the checkout, we created the thank you page, and we created the membership, and this is the product. But since we are going to use affiliates, on this page, we put a button for people to become an affiliate and ask for affiliation. And now I have a business who is running and it's going fine. This is a membership layout. This is a free layout for everybody. So I created the whole thing on the canvas. I added the whole thing on the site builder, right? And that's it. It's working. I guess it's working. Let me see the email here. All right. So you have here all the emails working. So this is the first message. You guys remember this one, right? This is the message it was supposed for me to receive 1 minute after subscribe, and it's working because I received this 13 minutes ago and this 14 minutes ago. So it's working. I received here the confirmation of the PayPal, the setting. So it's everything working really, really good. All right? Okay, guys, so that's it. Let me stop sharing screen with you guys. Today, we created a simple funnel on the canvas. We used the canvas, mailing boss, site builder, and super checkout. Tomorrow, we're going to work a little bit more on the canvas, and then we're going to work a little bit more on automation, and we're going to keep working and learning on the thing. All right? I guess that's it. Thank you very much for your time. And again, the best way for you to create a funnel is go to Canvas, create the whole thing on Canvas. Make sure, like, don't be in a hurry, right? So you can do that in 10 minutes. But make sure you have everything connected, everything on the right place, and then you can generate the website, right? So if you have a problem and your website, it's not exactly like you want it, what you can do is you can delete the website, go back to the canvas, fix the canvas, and generate the website again, right? So your website is not good, like the links are not working, you did something wrong, it's not the way you want it. It's okay. Delete the website, okay? Go to your Pixel Perfect so you can see all the websites. Delete your website, go back to the canvas, edit the canvas, fix on the canvas, and create the website again. All right, guys? I'm gonna do that on the next training. All right, so I'm gonna fix the canvas, and in order to fix the canvas and make it work better, I just gonna delete the website and create all over again, and it's gonna be okay. All right? Okay, so I guess that's it. That's it. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys on the next training.